You need to tell about your daily routine. Okay?
I wake up. My brush your teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. My wash for my face.
I wash my face. I. Next.
I eat my lunch.
Breakfast. Then. I get ready.
I get ready and go to school.
Next.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch at school. Then.
My home going to 4 o'clock.
I come home from school at 4 o'clock. That is a sentence. Okay. Then.
I change dress.
I change my dress. Say, I change my dress.
I change my dress.